Hello, welcome back to the Craft Scraps. I'm Lauren, and today I want to show you just really quickly how to upload an image from the internet. So today I'm specifically going to do an uploaded image that I purchased from Etsy, but of course you can follow my original video on how to upload images from like Google or things like that. But today it's specifically how to download an image from Etsy that you've purchased into Cricut Design Space. So you can see here I'm in Cricut. I'm going to come over here to New Project. So obviously I have nothing on the screen yet. I don't even have my image uploaded from my email. So I'm going to come over to my email. All right, and so here's the image that I got once I purchased my bundle. So all I have to do is click view your files on Etsy. So it'll take you to this download page. So you can see I've already downloaded it once before, but I'll show you just for this video how you can download it. Literally all you do is click download. So you can see it's right down here. I'm going to double click on that. Click on the file, and you can see all of the SVGs that come in that bundle are right here, ready to go. So all I have to do is go back to Cricut, go to upload. I'm just going to click upload image, click browse, and you can see I've already been in that file, but if I was starting from scratch, it would go to my downloads. I would just double click on the file, click on the image I want to upload, click open. You can see it only gives me one option as a cut image here, and it's super clean, ready to go. Click upload, and we're good to go. So if you want to insert it to your mat, all you have to do is click on it here and then add to canvas, and you're ready to cut. So I know this was short and sweet, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to actually make these cups in my next video, so I hope you guys tune in.